So in today's video, we're going to talk about my 3.5-month experience with the Kerastase Genesis line, which is catered to hair loss. I already made a video where I talked about a 1-month experience, which is also up in my channel, and I will link it down below, where I talk a lot more into detail about the Genesis line. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about my experiences after using the Genesis products for 3.5 months now, and how I feel about them. And again, this video is not sponsored. I bought all the products myself, and I will share all my thoughts. So first thing that you have to know, I think the Genesis line is very good, but some things can be better. So first, let's just give a quick briefly recap of what the Genesis line is. So you have shampoo, conditioner, mask, thermique, which is like a leave-in product, and you have a scalp serum. My favorite products are the shampoo and scalp serum. I stopped using the mask of Kerastase after 1 month because the mask, in my opinion, is pretty expensive. And I just use another mask, which is also working great. I stopped using the mask, and at the moment I'm only using the shampoo and the scalp serum, and also I use the thermique in my hair whenever I get out of the shower. So when it comes to shampoos, there are two types of shampoo. You have the Ben Hydra Fortifiant, I don't know how I say it, and then you have the Ben Nutri Fortifiant. The differences isn't that big because it's both a shampoo catered to hair loss, and then after the shampoo I normally then don't condition my hair, but I use a hair mask straight away on the length of my hair. So as you can see over here, my hair is actually pretty shiny, which is kind of surprising to me because I wasn't aware of that. And I also washed my hair today in the morning. I, by the way, use a mask of a Korean brand called Some by Me. I will just put the link down below if you guys want to check it out, but I think it's a really great mask. It's 200 milliliters and it's around 12-13 euros, whereas this mask, and not to talk bad about Kerastase, is 200 milliliters as well, but this mask is 35 euros. So when I get out of the shower, first thing that I do is I apply a microfiber towel, and then I pat my hair. So the microfiber, you know, can help my hair dry quicker. Once that is done, then I continue with the Kerastase, which is one of my favorite products, the scalp serum. And then after I applied scalp serum, I continue with thermique on the length of my hair, and then I blow dry my hair on medium heat. And then I do that for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I continue with an oil because I did have very frizzy hair, and I do feel that an oil is like the little bit of extra that my hair needs. So in this case I have the Oleo Relax oil, and I have used it up until here. So I've been using this oil also for 3 months now because I got it like probably 2 weeks later after I started using the other Kerastase Genesis line. Then I apply the oil, and then I let my hair air dry for 10 minutes or so, and then I blow dry it again on medium heat, and then for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I let it air dry. Overall, I am very happy with the products, and I think they work very good. But the only thing that I think I also talked about this in the first part of the series of my video is my experience with Kerastase is the scalp serum. You're supposed to use this every day. I don't use it every day because this is a 90 milliliter bottle, and if you would use it every day, I think after a month you have to buy a new one. I use it every other day. So if I use it every other day, then I notice that I have like less hair loss, like really like less hair loss. Also with the shampoos in the shower, I do notice that I get less hair loss every time in the shower. Now it is not like less, but now let's say if I first used to have like this amount of hair loss in the shower, like then it would go like this and then this, and like now the hair loss that I have is like around this size, so it's like a small circle instead of a big circle. So it's already like 50% less. I think that's safe to say that it's 50% less. So I'm really happy with that. But the thing is, if I use this scalp serum, every other day, I have very little hair loss, and I'm very happy with it, and I absolutely love it for that. But if I stop using this scalp serum, or if I only use it because I wash my hair every 5 days, so the first day when I wash my hair, I apply the scalp serum, second day I do nothing, third day I would apply the scalp serum. But if I don't apply the scalp serum on the third day as well, and then on the fourth day I notice I have a lot of hair loss because I didn't apply the scalp serum on the third day. So then on the fourth day I would apply the scalp serum, and then on the fifth day is actually wash day. But then, for example, let's say I wash my hair in the evening, I do notice that if I apply scalp serum on the fourth day and then on the fifth day I wash my hair in the evening, during the day I have less hair loss. So this thing for me definitely works in reducing hair loss, but you have to use it every day or every other day. In my case works depending on the status of your hair, because the thing is, in the Kerastase Genesis line, the ingredients that are all in all the products are amnixil, and amnixil is like the thing that helps with hair loss. So it actually makes your hair follicles stronger temporarily, and that's great because then you don't lose hair as quick as you otherwise would. But I have been using this now for 3.5 months. I really hoped, especially after 2 months of using it, I really hoped that if I would use this once a week, it would do its thing for me. But that's not the case. So if I don't use it every other day, I just lose a lot of hair. Like, it comes back. It's not as much as it was before, but it's still a lot. So, but if I use it, then I don't. So in my eyes, this is kind of a quick fix if you want to fight hair loss, but you have to use it forever. And then of course, yes, you know, hair loss is a big issue. It is a big problem. And I think there's like not like a magic product that can help you with hair loss. I really hoped that if I would use this product for 2.5 months, 3 months, that my hair would get stronger, my hair follicles would get stronger over time. But the thing is, if you ask me, that's not the case. So therefore, one part of me loves the Kerastase Genesis line. The shampoo is a shampoo that I definitely will keep using, because I did notice with other shampoos that when I wash my hair, I lose more hair. So if I use this Kerastase shampoo, I have the small amount of hair that I lose. If I switch and try another shampoo, I notice that the amount of hair that I lose is not like this small, but it gets a little bit bigger. So therefore, and again, in the shampoo, there's also the ingredient amnixil, that is like the ingredient that makes your hair follicles stronger. Therefore, I am really happy with the shampoo, and I'll definitely use the shampoo. And also, when it comes to the shampoo, Kerastase also advises to double shampoo. So first thing, if you wash your hair, just like shampoo very general, like quickly, like, you know, globally, and then wash it out, and then you shampoo again. And then the second time when you shampoo your hair, you really massage it in for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Normally with shampoos, they say to massage it in for your hair for like 30 to 60 seconds. But because the shampoo has the hair follicle strengthening ingredient, therefore I would advise to massage it in a little bit longer, because while you're massaging it in, and please be gentle with your hair, but while you're massaging it in your hair, the shampoo, you know, the ingredient amnixil is working to make your hair follicles stronger and stronger and stronger, and that's what you want. So I mostly massage it on my scalp for 1 to 1.5 minutes, and then I let it sit on my hair for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. So mostly after 3 minutes I wash the shampoo out when I do the second time shampooing, to make sure that I get the most out of it. And then when I get out of the shower, you know, I use a mask after I'm done with shampoo, and then out of the shower I use this on my scalp, and then I use the thermic on my legs. I blow dry for 2 to 3 minutes my hair, and then I use the oil because my hair needs a little bit extra. But I do think, by the way, that the oil is really like a very good product. I think it really helps with the shine and sleekness that my hair has right now. So I am very happy with that as well, and I think these two products also go very well together. I am looking into trying my old Ayurvedic hair care routines, and I'm starting with that since last week. So I will make a video about that in the future where I talk more in detail, because there are some Ayurvedic herbs that I used before Kerastase and I think that they were doing a good job, but then I stopped using them because it took a little bit more of time, and you know, because it's natural, you have to like make the mixes yourself and stuff like that. So I will make a video about that in the future, and once that video is up I will pin it down in the comments down below. So yeah, that was it for like a short quick recap, and I see you in the next video. Bye.